Welcome to Columbia Student Personal Social Media, and here's our index page. We can click the button and start to log into the social media. And we use Google login first, and then we choose an account and then log into our homepage. And we start to create a post. And we can choose a photo to upload here and leave a comment. Yeah, and you can see that a new post that is displayed here on our homepage, and we will start by following a new user. And we type in the user ID to search for a user, and then we can go to the user page and click follow to follow the user. And now we can go back to our homepage and then to see if we successfully follow that user. Yeah, so in our following list, we can see the user's user ID here. And we go back to our homepage and we can check the user's post here. Like we can also view the comment here, and we can go to the second page to see more posts and even more comments here. And we can unfollow the user and then go back to our homepage and check. We'll see that the user's post disappears and like there's no followings in the following list. And in our homepage, we can also edit the username. We can change that to, yeah, after we change that, we'll see the username is changed and also the username in the post also changed. And in our homepage, we can also delete a post we created before. So we just click on the delete button, and to confirm the deletion, we can also cancel deletion and confirm. It goes away, and we can see that there's no post on our homepage. And we log out from our account, and now we try to sign up for a new account. And we type a random email and try to set a password and then click on sign up. But we'll see that this is not a valid email, so we'll need to change another one. Yeah, and after we type in a valid email, it will successfully sign up for a new account. And we just fit the password accordingly and then click on login. Yeah, then we log into a new account that we just created. There will be our UI for this part. Yeah, and we can log out from the account.
Now let's briefly introduce our AWS console. So let's start with the user service. So in the user service, we have a relational database. And we can see here we have one instance is running. And then we have connect this database into our local data grid. And then we can see we have three tables. We have following, follower, and user tables. We also use a SNS. So it will be triggered when a new user has been signed up. So we also running a Lambda, and it is subscribed to this SNS event. And for the subscription topic, we have several users who has been signed up and wants to receive our email. Now let's move to the Lambda. As we can see, we have this Lambda running, and it is connecting to the SNS. So as I mentioned, when a new user has signed up, then the Lambda will send a message in the CloudWatch. So let's check the CloudWatch. We can see here, it will tell us like a user has been signed up, and it will also show the email here. And our service is running on the Beanstalk on another account. So let's move on to the Beanstalk.
Now let's look through some more stuff about our AWS infrastructure. We'll start with CloudFront. Here we use a web server to running our Angular app, which is hosted on our CloudFront that shows here. And this is the behaviors that we set for this CloudFront, which includes some protocol policy, cache policy, and the course policy. And we use an API gateway to surface all our 4 microservices. Here's common service, feed service, post service, and user service. Our front-end app will access all the backend resources through this API gateway. And also
we use the Elastic Beanstalk to host 2 of our microservices. One is user service here. Yeah, we can see the health status of it. And the second service we use Elastic Beanstalk to host is it's in another region. That's the post service. Yeah. Okay. And that's all from my side. I'll let my teammate to continue to talk more about our AWS infrastructure.
Here I'm going to show the comment service, and we deploy it on the EC2. And here's the instance that we can access it through this public address. And then we have a RDS that relates to it. The RDS holds the database for the comment service, and in it we have a comment table where we store the comment ID, user ID, and post ID, and other data.
Now here's Amazon S3 bucket to host static home website. And yeah, we put an index page in this bucket, and we process the website hosting. And we also use the CloudFront to deliver this website. And here's a setup for the CloudFront. And yes, that's it. Thank you very much. This is Team MVPs.